Audi unveils the new A5, a bold new direction for the brand. Audi has just pulled the covers off the new A5, and it's shaping up to be a game changer. This isn't your typical A5. Audi is shaking things up with a major overhaul of its naming system to pave the way for a future dominated by electric vehicles. Here's the scoop. The all-new A5 marks the beginning of a new era where odd-numbered nameplates will represent internal combustion engines, and even numbered ones will be reserved for electric models. This shift means that the new A5 takes over the role of the A4, positioning itself as Audi's fierce competitor to the BMW 3 Series. And yes, you'll still have the choice between a sleek sedan and a versatile wagon. With this third-generation A5, Audi is not just making a statement with its new naming convention, but also introducing a fresh design and innovative features. The A5 is now longer and wider than the A4 and sports a stunning fastback silhouette with a dynamic roofline that sweeps down into a prominent hatch. From certain angles, it almost looks like an upgraded version of the A5 Sportback. At the front, you'll notice a grille that's flatter and wider than before, complemented by sleek, narrow LED headlights. And at the rear, a striking OLED light bar not only adds a touch of modern flair, but can also display a range of eye-catching animations. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a tech lover's dream. The cabin is all about screens and streamlined controls, with a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen handling most of the functions, a 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster right in front of the driver, and an optional 10.9-inch screen for the front passenger. It's a futuristic, high-tech environment designed to keep you connected and entertained on the road. As of now, Audi has only revealed these two body styles, but the new premium platform combustion PPC architecture, they're riding on hints at even more exciting models to come. Get ready to experience a new chapter in the A5 legacy, one that promises to be as thrilling as it is innovative. Audi A5 Avant exciting news on the new Audi A5. While details about the American version of the new Audi A5 are still under wraps, we do know that the sporty Avant wagon, which you can see in the image above, won't be making its way to the US market. But there's still plenty to be excited about for our European friends. When the new A5 hits the European market in November 2024, buyers will have a choice of two impressive engines. The entry-level option is a 2.0-liter turbocharged TFS semi-4-cylinder that delivers a respectable 148 horsepower. For those craving more power, there's a 201 horsepower version of this Turbo 4 available. Alternatively, you can opt for a 2.0-liter turbo diesel TDI 4-cylinder engine that churns out 201 horsepower and a hefty 295 pound-feet of torque, thanks to a mild hybrid system. Both engines are paired with a dual-clutch automatic transmission, though there's no word yet on the availability of a manual transmission. Front-wheel drive comes standard, with Quattro all-wheel drive offered for the more powerful TFSI and TDI models. But that's not all. The iconic S5 is back and better than ever. This time around, it boasts a 3.0-liter turbocharged TFSI V6 engine that cranks out 362 horsepower. With mild hybrid technology and a Quattro sport differential with torque vectoring, the S5 promises exhilarating performance and advanced handling. Audi has also focused on enhancing the driving experience of the A5 with significant chassis updates. The new A5 features an optional adaptive suspension system that offers a greater range between comfort and sport modes, along with much more precise steering for a truly dynamic drive. In Germany, the new A5 will start at $45,200, which is about $49,300 at today's exchange rate. US pricing and details will be announced later, so stay tuned for more updates. As for the A4, it's still unclear whether this beloved nameplate will make a comeback as an electric model or if it's being put on hold for now. Only time will tell. Are you excited about these updates? Let us know what you think in the comments below.